Greetings from the Southern Area Program Team. In 2019, the program team accepted the responsibility of establishing a strategic cascade of national programs and initiatives, as well as Southern Area initiatives for 80 and then 82 chapters within the area. Promoting a culture of service, the program team has executed a strategic plan to elevate friendship and to enrich service in the context of transformational programming. The program report for the 2019-2022 biennium is the report of successful and transformational programming throughout the Southern Area. This report reflects the success of all chapters in a connection of collective excellence. Using the National Programs Toolkit as a guide for the delivery of programs, the Southern Area has implemented sustainable service in all 5 facets. A snapshot of this service is now presented. Southern Area chapters are currently delivering transformational services through STEM and STEAM programs, emphasizing the services to youth signature program, STEM Ready. Career development, mentoring, and leadership coaching are incorporated into 32 active NSBE junior clubs. The Southern Area leads in the number of active NSBE junior clubs within the Links Incorporated. Structured mentoring is also documented throughout the Links to Success programs that have been implemented, collaborating through community partnerships and collaboratives. With the largest number of HBCUs in the nation, Southern Area chapters support these 57 colleges and universities through endowments, program partnerships, and community engagement initiatives. Chapters have supported the Classics Through Ages signature program and have initiated programs to support the development of youth in filmmaking and writing careers. And oh yes, the National Poster Competition is a well-defined component of biennial programming in Southern Area chapters. Financial literacy programs, partnerships with AARP, and police engagement and awareness initiatives through PEACE have been implemented throughout the area to support the mission of the National Trends and Services facet. Dressing Her from the Inside Out is a national program within the National Trends and Services facet that serves to support the Southern Area's 46th Area Conference Day of Service on June 5, 2021. Southern Area chapters have been distinctly engaged in education across the miles, Links Help for Humanity, and the LIFE program. Currently, the area leads in the donation of toilets for Links Help for Humanity in Haiti. The Southern Area continues to stay linked into program, and its 95% participation in the 2020 National Walkathon and over 341 million documented steps in the 75 million steps campaign over the last calendar year demonstrates its belief in healthy living. The area is proud that 13 members have been trained in HEAL, and that 2 chapters received national awards for their oral health awareness and education programs and collaborations with Colgate-Palmolive's Bright Smiles, Bright Futures program. Colgate-Palmolive is a proud partner of the Links Incorporated, and the Southern Area has a significant presence in this program implementation. The Southern Area was distinguished in the 2020 National Assembly with 60% of the National Programming Awards that further demonstrates its embrace for the gold standard of programming through the service delivery model. Congratulations is extended to all National Program Award winners. This biennium has shown also that the Southern Area is still stepping into service with the initiation of innovative programming and new area initiatives. Initiatives are aligned with the 5 facets and address needs, problems, and situations identified by Southern Area assessments. Robust program implementation of these signature initiatives have been embraced by Southern Area chapters. Closing the Gap in Foster Care is a year-long mentoring program aligned with the mission of the Services to Youth facet. Targeted areas for high school juniors and seniors include financial literacy, health and wellness, visioning, and career awareness and planning. Story quilts bring historical meaning to the African diaspora. As a multi-generational engagement tool, chapters have hosted quilt-making workshops and activities to build STEAM by emphasizing coding as well as community with the implementation of connecting threads. Artist Noir is another signature initiative in the arts facet. It provides talent development through skill building, arts appreciation, and performance in a wide range of genres, like theater, visual arts, watercolors, fashion design, sculpture, drama, and dance. The Healthy Homestead Initiative is designed to provide financial knowledge to Southern area communities through awareness and educational opportunities. Home ownership, retirement, and estate planning are core components of the scope of programming for Healthy Homestead. One Mission, One Love promotes the commitment and investment to improve the quality of life for citizens of the African diaspora. With special emphasis on Jamaica, Nassau, and Haiti, explorations for extended service in Africa have also been executed over the biennium. Primary service programs were implemented at the Safe House in Nassau over 2019 and 2021. Over 2021 and 2023, programs will be implemented in Jamaica at the Watford Hill Primary School. Links in Pink is a breast cancer awareness and outreach initiative to increase focus on risk factors for breast cancer as well as breast cancer prevention and treatment. With preliminary reporting from chapters, the Southern area has been able to document the financial support of 1,246 executed mammograms for women in underserved populations over the biennium. HeartLinks is a national signature program for the Links Incorporated that is focused on heart health care awareness, education, and advocacy. The Southern area has placed special emphasis on the program to address alarming rates of heart disease in the southern states. Class is in session in the Southern area to provide support for students matriculating at any of the area's 57 HBCUs. CLASS stands for Collegiate Links Award for Service and Scholarship. Chapters are asked to award traditional book and/or digital learning scholarships. Special emphasis is given to students majoring in STEM fields. Over the 2020-2021 program year, individuals and chapters contributed to an HBCU capital campaign that will result in deployment of the Southern Area Servant Leadership Scholarship. Donors and scholarship recipients will be identified during the 46th Southern Area Conference. Delivering on its strategic goals, the Southern Area Program Team has not only designed and facilitated innovative programs that have been executed by chapters, but it has also procured and provided resources to assist chapters in their programming. Southern Area Program grants to implement and sustain signature initiatives at the chapter level have been granted to a total of 29 chapters over 2 consecutive years. External grant seeking on behalf of the Southern Area and its 82 chapters has resulted in grants received by the W.K. Kellogg Foundation, the Morehouse School of Medicine, and Truist Bank. The collective benefit of these grant dollars has resulted in support for transformational programming in the communities served by chapters. Grants from the W.K. Kellogg Foundation and the Morehouse School of Medicine support the Mask to Protect, Unmasked to Inform initiative in response to the pandemic and the need to support communities in personal and community awareness, education, protection, testing, vaccination access, and research benefits. In addition to the partnerships established with these grant awards, a partnership with the Association for Multicultural Affairs in Transplantation leveraged resources to extend awareness and education across 7 states for the purpose of the Strengthening the Linkages to Life initiative. Webinars, documents, toolkits, and technical assistance have been made available to presidents, program chairs, facet chairs, and members. While not defined as a program, the work of the Legislative Issues, Public Affairs, and Disaster Relief Committee does impact programming for communities, states, and geographical regions. A town hall series on social justice, human trafficking, and awareness education during the pandemic were scheduled during the biennium. Links Day at the Capitol in 2020 was delivered with 3 on-site legislative conferences and a virtual legislative briefing for 4 states in the form of a webinar. In 2021, a robust virtual legislative conference with a hybrid model of a virtual platform and streaming of live presentations was delivered for all chapters in the Southern area. The Southern Area Program Team celebrates the collective excellence of the area and its 82 chapters. Through strategic programming, friendship has been elevated and service has been enriched. With a passion for service, Link Sisters have embraced transformational programming that is at the heart of Linkdom. The Southern area has indeed fulfilled the mission of Friends Transforming Communities.
1, 2, 3, I'll be there.